G, this is Jay with Berryland. Just doing a little quick video for you on the 2021 Arctic Wolf SR1 model 287 BHSR. Just a really awesome camper. You've got LED lights in the front. You got storage down here. I'm gonna go around. This is all storage. This is all pass-through storage. Aluminum framing. That's your steps. You actually have an outside kitchen here, which pulls out. You also have more storage here. You have electric jacks in the back. You have a backup camera. And it is a 50 amp. You have an outside shower. And just wanted to show you a quick preview. This is all your utility storage. That's the outside, and I'm going to send this to you. Then I'm going to do another one for you on the inside. Thank you much.